Good morning. Now we learn volume of sphere and hemisphere. Last we learn surface area of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. Volume of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. It is our last exercise 13.8 about sphere and hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere here. Now, volume of sphere. What is its formula? Which shape is called spherical shape? As for example, yes, volleyball, football, cricket ball. It's in the form of spherical. Then 4 by 3 pi r cube. Its formula is 4 by 3 pi. And volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi. Hemi, that means half. We call semi, hemi. Now, exercise 13.8, question number 1. Find the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. In this question, R is equal to 7 centimeter. Find its volume. Volume of sphere. What is formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 into pi is equal to 22 by 7, 7, 7, 7, 3 times 7, 7, here cut. 616 into 7 upon 3, 88 7s are 616, 7 6 are 42, 4, 11, 1, 4, 3, 1, 2 upon 3. Therefore, 3 ones are 3, 13, 3 fours are 12, 11, 3 threes are 9, 22, 3 sevens are 21 and 1 integer 3. What is here? Centimeter cube. Write like this, centimeter cube. It is right and it is also right. You write like this 4, 3, 1, 2 upon 3 or convert into mix fraction 1437 integer 1 upon 3. 4, 3, 1, 2 divided by 3 is equal to 3 sevens are 21 and 22 2, 9 and 2 11, 1, 12, 1, 13, 1, 3 ones are 3, 1, 4. Now, number 2, 0.63 meter, same like this, R is equal to 0.63 meter, volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi is equal to 22 by 7 r cube, 63 upon 100 into 63 upon 100 into 63 upon 100. 3 sevens are 21, 3s are. Now do multiplication in your notebook and same it. What is its answer? 22 into 12 into 63 into 63. Calculate in your notebook. 1.047816 is equal to 1105 meter cube. Answer is 1.05. Your answer is like this: 1047816. Yes. Now, find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter. Here, amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball. Find its volume. Its diameter. Diameter, that means radius is equal to 14 centimeters. And find its diameter. You find yourself 4 by 3 pi r cube. Answer is 3449.6 upon 3. That means 3 1 3. This is also right and this is converted to 11498 upon integer 2 upon 3. Now, diameter is equal to 0.21 meter. Diameter is equal to 0.21 meter. Therefore, radius is equal to 0.21 divided by 21 divided by 20. Now, volume. Volume is equal to, what is formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3, 22 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 4 5s are 25 is 100 and 10 2s are 11. Here 11 into 21 into 21 upon 25 is 100, 10 is 1000. 441 multiply 11. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 0.21 here it is by 21 by 2 and 200. We write here 50, 200 and 200, therefore 100. 1 2 3 4 5. 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 50. 54 200, 50 and here 21 by 200, 21, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 8, 5, 1. Then answer is 0.021 by 2, 21 by 200, 4 by 3, pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi 22 by 7 into 21 by 200, 21 by 200, 21 by 200. 4 3s are 21, 54s are 200 and 11 2s are 22, 100 2s are 21 into 21 11 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 22 5 is 100. Okay, 6. Then our answer here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it is a 5 zeros and 5 is a 10. Then what? 6. Right? Some mistake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 point. Therefore, answer is equal to 0.004851 centimeter cube, which is our right answer. Fine. Question number 1, question number 2 are also 1 mark question or 2 mark question, asking in 1 and 2 marks question. Now, question number 3 of exercise 13.8. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 meter. Diameter is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Therefore, its radius is equal to 4.2 divided by 2.1 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball? If the density of the matter is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Here, what is the mass of if the density of the matter is 8.9? Find here, first we find metallic ball. It is in a spherical shape. We find its volume and convert into gram. Its mass, then find its mass. Volume of a ball is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to 4 by 3 r cube. 21 by 10, 21 by 10 and 21 by 10. 3 sevens are 21. 441 multiply 22. 441 multiply 441 multiply 22 into 4. Calculate in your notebook. 1, 2, 3, 1000. Equals to 4 2 8, 0, 4 7 28, 3, 36 and 2, 38 upon 1000. Therefore, 38.808 centimeters cube. 38.808 centimeter cube. Now, what is its mass? Then density is equal to 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Mass of the ball is equal to 38.808 multiply 8.9 here centimeter cube upon gram into gram upon centimeter cube is equal to multiplied by this mass of multiplication of these two terms 38.808 multiply 89 3 39 gram approximately. Okay. Its answer 345.39 gram approximately. Again this question. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. Therefore radius is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Find what is the mass? Mass, therefore we find here its volume. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, it is equal to 38.808. Now mass is equal to, here density of the metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter. Therefore mass of the ball is equal to 38.808 volume into its density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is equal to density into volume. We know its formula in physics. Therefore 345.39 gram approximately. Point here 5 points. Therefore we write here gram. The diameter. Now question number 4. All questions are different. The diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. What fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon? Here the diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of earth. Diameter of moon is equals to R. Then radius is equals to, radius of moon is equals to R by 2. Diameter of earth approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Therefore diameter of earth is equals to 4 times than moon. Diameter of moon is equal to 1/4 into diameter of earth. Here diameter of moon is equal to R is equal to 1/4 into diameter of earth. Therefore diameter of earth is equal to 4R. Radius of earth is equal to 4R upon 2 is equal to 2R. Here, what fraction of volume of the earth is the volume of the moon? What fraction volume of the moon is dash time of volume of the earth? Here we find volume of moon is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is denoted small. Is equals to 4 by 3 pi into r. R is equals to, what is radius of moon? R by 2 cube is equals to 4 by 3 pi into r cube upon 8 is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube upon 8. 4 by 3 pi r cube upon 8. Now, volume of earth. R. 4 by 3 pi, its radius denoted R, capital R, and its radius is denoted small r. R 4 by 3, R is equals to 2R, 2R cube is equals to 4 by 3 pi into 8R cube. V is equals to 4 by 3 pi R cube, 4 by 3 pi R cube into 8. 4 by 3 pi R cube into 8. Then V upon 8 is equals to 4 by 3 pi R cube. And here 8V is equals to 8 into multiplication is equals to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Result number 1. Say is result number 2. From 1 and 2 we say that from 1 and 2 we say that 8V is equals to V bar 8. V is equals to V bar 64. 8 is 64. Therefore, volume of moon is equals to 164 into volume of the earth. Volume of the earth. Again this question. Find the what fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon. The volume of the moon is 1 upon 64 of volume of the earth. In this question, so typical. Diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. First here I take for easy calculation diameter of moon is equals to r, therefore its radius is equals to r. And diameter of earth, moon is equals to 1/4 of diameter of earth. Therefore I put here diameter of moon is equals to r into 1/4 of diameter of earth. Therefore diameter of earth is equals to 4r. Radius of earth is denoted capital R. 4r by 2 is equals to 2r. First we find volume of moon. It is V denoted small v is equals to 4 by 3. 8v is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Implies here v is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube upon 8. 8v is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And second, volume of earth. V is equals to capital V is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. R capital R is equals to here 2r. Put value 2r. 2 cube is equals to 8r cube. Then capital V is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube into 8. V by 8 is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Compare result number 1 and 2. Then we get 8v is equals to v by 8 small v. That means volume of moon is equals to volume of earth upon 64. Volume of the moon is 1 upon 64th into volume of the moon. Volume of the earth. Write down question number 3 and 4 in your notebook.